Okay, this time I'm going to show you how you can replace the AC compressor. First, you need to recover with a machine. You got to turn on the machine, press recover right here, and then press start. Okay, recover the whole fuel in the truck. Okay, after you recover, you're gonna disconnect this switch right here. You're gonna remove the belt from this tensioner right here, and then you're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. But I removed this tube right here from the air to air, from here and here, and you have to remove the 2 lines with the socket number 10. Remove the fuel line. This is a Cummins ISX from a Kenworth Aero cab. Okay, normally when you replace the AC compressor, it's very important to replace the dryer too. Okay, there are 2 lines that you need to remove too. Okay, hope this video helped you. After you mount everything back together, you have to recharge the AC system. I'm gonna make a video how you can do that. I'm gonna show you in a little future. Okay, I'm gonna do a video how you can use the machine. I think I already did one, I'm not sure. Now I'm gonna make one to show you guys. Alright, hope this video helped you. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna still showing videos, but I know I need to learn how to put tags on my videos. That's why they don't grow up in views. I need to put tags. One guy gave me the advice to do that, but I don't do anything because I don't know how to use a computer yet. I'm trying to show you guys what I know. Okay, try to do my best. Okay, have a good one, guys.